benefit of digitization, the benefit of data being available will be that insurance companies and banks will move more and more towards cutting down the number of clicks that a customer is doing. And I've heard of companies which talk about, 2-click insurance. You just have to do 2 clicks and you are able to buy a product. Look at other examples. I think on some products we've kind of reached that. For example, I was talking about, let's say in motor you want to do a renewal. If you get a link which says that your motor policy is due for renewal, this is the premium. Click on this link and you pay the premium. There you are already talking about 1 click leading to a sale. You talk about contextual, products being offered. Let's say you are filling up petrol at a highway, and bank, being the custodian of the data, is able to detect that because of the POS machine and says that, look, you're doing a highway travel. Do you need a personal accident for the next 24 hours? That again can become a 1-click journey. So I think, yes, effectively, both banks and insurance companies will have to start moving towards reducing the number of clicks. We'll see much faster adoption because today, frankly, we are not covering the entire gamut of insurance needs of a customer. It is concentrated towards some part investment, some part term, some part the core asset on which you are taking a loan, or maybe travel or wherever there's a mandatory requirement. But as a customer, or if you go to countries outside India, you find that the number of insurance product that a customer has is almost twice or thrice of what we have in India. So if you really have to move in that direction, we'll have to make the entire onboarding journey much painless for them.